Hi there, students. Incessant. Incessant. This is an adjective. Incessantly, the adverb. Okay, if something is incessant, it doesn't stop. It doesn't pause. It's never ending. It goes on and on and on. Especially to the point where it gets up your nose. It annoys you. Yeah, so the incessant noise of her snoring kept me awake all night. So incessant, continuous, unceasing, without pause, without stop, unremitting. Yeah, so it's something that never stops. And normally we use this critically to say that we don't like it. Yeah, I guess but even if you say his incessant optimism, yeah, he's always optimistic, but it's a bit annoying that he is always optimistic about things. Incessant rain, yeah, there's been incessant rain for the last 3 weeks. It hasn't stopped. The unceasing noise from the road, the incessant noise, it's something that's constant, that's perpetual, that goes on and on and on, but particularly of something unpleasant. Yeah, incessantly. Yeah, she talks incessantly about her ailments. Yeah, she never stops. Okay, so to talk incessantly about something, yeah, if you use this word incessant, you're saying it's something that's rather unpleasant. It's constant, it's unabating, it never finishes, but it never there's no pause, there's no interruption. It's unceasing. It just goes on and on and on and on. Yeah, it's continuous, continual. Yeah, it just never stops. The incessant march of time, for example. Yeah, time always goes forward and there's nothing that we can do to stop it. So everlasting. Yeah, it's unremitting. It never stops. It never ceases. It continues in a way that seems endless. So the incessant stream of people that came through the door, or the incessant noise of the road next door. Yeah. Well, I'm actually quite fond of incessant rain, but I think most people would find incessant rain annoying. Yeah, there's an example of perhaps it being slightly neutral. Yeah, the incessant demands of my boss, or the incessant demands of society, the things that it's always asking for. An incessant process. It's something that continues without stopping. It never stops. It continues. Yeah, it continues without cessation, without stopping. Okay, so, well, incessant. It's really something that's incessant is something that's rather unpleasant. Yeah, it goes on. The incessant demands made for money. Yeah, so ceaseless, the incessant stress that we suffer in everyday life. Yeah, it's just unending. It's uninterrupted. It never stops. Okay, incessant, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5 in formality. I think you could use it absolutely anywhere. And let's see, this word incessant, well, it comes from French, incessant, something that's that's unstopping. But let's see, it comes from the Latin verb in, not, and cessant, from cessare, to cease. So it's something that never ceases. It's unceasing. It's incessant. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Incessant.